What's going on, guys? I realized I haven't video logged in a while, like a couple of years, and it's Paula and I's 5-year anniversary, so I'm gonna grab the camera here and go get my contacts in. I actually do wear contacts. Got the little daredevil here on the case. Got the VR goggles over there. Anyways, I'm gonna grab the camera and see you guys in a little bit. Good morning, guys. Paula just went to the market to get some breakfast for us and some fresh food, so I'm gonna feed the animals. And my morning routine is nothing too crazy. I listen to the Good Morning Subliminal on our YouTube channel every morning during the week. It usually helps me get a fresh start, and then I eat breakfast right away, take my vitamins, and just kind of dive into the day. But as I mentioned, Paula went to the market, so I'm gonna introduce you to the fishes first. Got the beautiful fishes here, guys. Got 3 goldfish, got 2 angelfish. See if you can see this guy. And I just got all of these last month, so these angelfish grew so freaking fast. And then I got this beautiful bed of fish. I love his fins, how they kind of just naturally go off. They're not ripped, that's just his natural style there. And I got the white goldfish, 2 morels, the black, some people call them black goldfish, and then I got some of the little tetras, or the little fast neon guys. And I got a pleco in there somewhere. I'm gonna give these guys fish, and then this little stripe. This other fish tank, I got some betta fish. They're all kind of hiding since they're all females. I'm sure you guys know you can't mix the males together with them, but I do have some betta fish in there. There's a SpongeBob and Mario. I got some sunflowers, more sunflowers. I like this tank a lot. This month has been such a blur, guys. I haven't even changed my remote jobs calendar. Right. I'm gonna switch to August. Ooh. Look at that elephant. You know, this is going to be really symbolic for the little kitten I just got. I love all this some symbolism going on here. I wanted to show you guys my other tank here. I got this Dragon Beachy here. He's kind of an odd guy, but nonetheless very beautiful. You gotta find the beauty in the ugly, right, guys? Find the beauty in the ugly. And that's Spartan helmet that you saw there in the reflection. Get your food. Yeah, and got Amani. I'm giving her breakfast. She came to us 2 days ago, and I find the timing so interesting that, you know, 2 days before Paula and I's anniversary, you know, 8-8 or infinity and infinity, that she came to us. She's like, don't take my food. And it got really dirty out here on the porch because my neighbors have chickens that come here and poop every morning. And I'm trying to get rid of them, but they are good for the rest of the front yard with the garden. And good morning, Aman. I've been slowly integrating her into the house, but since she lived outside for 2 months, you know, it's been a journey, you know, with all the furniture and other things. But yeah, Mani means peace in Swahili. Yeah, Mani means peace in Swahili, and my dad actually knows a lot of Swahili people from Africa, different parts of Africa actually, and he actually knew what he actually knows some people actually named Amani already. So yeah, she has those beautiful African colors. Yeah, and you can see for size comparison my hand. How big my hand is just compared to her. How small she is. Yeah, she has a nice soft tail and soft fur. I find it so fascinating when you Google where did cats come from, how there's so many different theories, such interesting creatures. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna be out here with her for a little bit. So this is Rise. He just had a birthday yesterday, and yeah, you guys are right. He was born on the same day as Paul and I's anniversary, Infinity. And what's up, big guy? Yeah, for you guys who know German Shepherds, they shed like crazy, so he's been shedding a lot, but he just turned 2 years old. He's an official adult now. Big, beautiful, black. So I don't take a lot of supplements. I got the fish oil, which if you watch the Diary of the CEO podcast, you heard one of his recent guests explain how not taking enough omega-3s is up there in the top 5 ways for mortality or dying. And then creatine, huge on creatine right now, not just for the muscle benefits, but also the brain too. Got a little multivitamin, apple cider vinegar, natural allergy relief, and then the Messi's, the soccer player or football player's new electrolytes to get hydrated in the morning. Paola just got back from the market. She brought back some burritos, fresh burritos. Got the chicharron, which is like fried pork, filled with all kinds of flavors. Let's see if I can focus in a little bit more. And then we got the potatoes, meat, and more seasoning. Look at all that flavor. Oof. Delicious. And you even got some more salsa. Gotta make an unboxing video for this red light therapy that came in, and we're getting a lot of sponsorship offers, and even though some of them have been, a few $1,000s for the items, I've declined, right? Because as always, if it's not a product that aligns with our mission, then I decline, right? A lot of people are like, oh, Say Luke is bought out, Say Luke is, all about the sponsors. Well, no. Like I said, I've declined probably 9 out of 10 sponsor offers that are sent to me because, like I said, I only pick things that align with our mission, and I think this red light therapy is going to be a really cool product, and even if you don't buy this particular one, it can open the door to this kind of therapy for a lot of people. Here in the office, guys, where all the magic happens. Got my universe pad and got my posters. I was just watching some episodes of Gordon Ramsay's Uncharted, where he travels to different countries around the world and cooks based on the culture of that country. Watched a couple hours. Normally I'd go to the gym, but saving that energy for me and Paula's dates tonight. We're going on for our anniversary, and I'm also going to work here on, I need to send a client of mine's custom subliminal that he ordered for his hair, and then I'm going to play some League of Legends, right? Fun fact, in high school I actually played with the top 10 players for World of Warcraft out of 12 million players, and this was 2 or 3 years before Twitch just blew up. So I literally, if I had just been 2 or 3 years later, right, I would have became a huge Twitch streamer instead and probably be making millions of dollars right now just playing video games. But hey, instead I get to make subliminals for you guys and help people heal and, something more meaningful, I guess you could say, right? Look at the bright side somehow. And yeah, guys, I'm going to be working here, having a little fun, and go from there. See you guys soon. Guys, gonna go ahead and wash the car here. Monty's like, what is all this water? Go ahead and wash the car here, and I got the pressure washer, and then I'm gonna go ahead and give Rise a bath. What is all this water? Oh my goodness, this is driving me cuckoo. It's lunchtime, guys. I got some leftover pizza from last night. The lighting's not the best, but then we got some pasta too that Paola just cooked up. So we got like an Italian thing going on. I'm gonna mix in some of this cheese here with the pasta. So bon appetit. Came for our anniversary dinner, guys. Didn't bring my camera, I'm just using my phone again, but we got some delicious sushi, Asian chicken with rice. Once again, the lighting's not the best, but you get the idea though. Tons of flavor, tons of delicious stuff here with Paola. Then we're gonna head to the movies and watch. We are heading to watch Fantastic Four. This is where I will leave you guys. This will be the end of our night, or the end of our night for the PG version. So you all have a wonderful evening. So here we go.